Great business ideas are developed every day. However, to turn a great idea into great success, you must have a system. FDI has put together a very simple system that you can plug into today and be profitable with by tonight. We have tools that do the talking for you, so that thought of needing past experience is out of the equation. With our wealth of business building resources, you'll never be short on options to fit your style of business. Whether it's face-to-face, over the phone, in groups, or even online. With our time-tested system, all you have to do is plug in. Our system is a proven and predictable method of building a multi-million-dollar FDI business. You'll be taught how to invite your potential business partners to a conference call, presentation, or even this website so they can see firsthand what we're all about. Then industry legends, million-dollar earners, or these videos will expose them to FDI and help you close them into your business. Just by repeating this process, you can build as big an FDI organization as you can dream. Having a system where you can duplicate yourself and then teach others to duplicate themselves is the backbone of turning a great idea into great success. Invite, expose, and close. 3 simple words that'll change the financial landscape for you and your family for generations to come.